Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Ronan Films. Today, we're going to be coding our part 2 on our Discord moderation bot. Let's jump right in. So guys, open up your folder for your basic Discord bot and have a look here. We're in our timeout command, our command that we worked on last video. And now, to start off this ban kicking, instead of having this perm here, like your role perm, we're going to do something else where if they have the permission perm. So, you'll hit new script or webhook right here, and come here and change this to Discord, and we're going to do command and change this here to kick, because we're going to be working on the kick command first. Perfect. And hit delete. Now let's jump over, before you hit save, let's go and create the slash command. Usually we do this at the end, but we'll do it now in case we forget, shall we? Let's jump over to our basic slash command thing. Come down here and you're going to want to create a new command and call it kick. This description, anything you want. It will be, we'll just call it kick a member from the server. Hit add command. Wait, no, not add command. Hit options. Change this here down to user. Call it user or user ID, anything. We're going to do user. And user you want to kick. Now you don't have to do this, we're just going to add a reason. We're going to type reason for kick. There we go. And hit save all. So guys, over here in our coding page, we're going to do is kick members. That can be anything you want. It could be kick permissions, staff, mod, whatever. We're going to do equals, these brackets, we're going to do context.params.event, and we're going to do member, we're going to do dot permissions, and then come here and going to type the end symbol, another bracket, and do one, come outside of both those brackets, and you're going to do equals, and then type 1, your little arrow sign again, and 1, and then add a semicolon at the end. And that's simple. That's grabbing the permissions for if they had the kick permission in the role. So you don't actually have to add any role in. Okay, then you want to jump down here and you're going to do if brackets is kick underscore members. Now, the thing with this is that there has to be whatever is up here, okay? You got that? Just remember, if it's not, you'll end up with a lovely error. Come over here and add these curly brackets like that. Very simple. Then in here, we're going to want to define something. To make things a whole lot easier, let's jump over into our timeout command. We'll just grab these two right here because it's the exact same code we're going to need and paste it in. It's so easy and so simple. Do a couple of returns, however many you want. I'm just doing 2 to make it look neat. And now you're going to want to get the thing that's going to kick the member. So we're going to do await lib.discord.member destroy. Now where's this one? Right here. Kick / remove a member from your Discord server. Now the user ID, we're going to do these brackets and we're going to do user ID. I believe is that what we wrote down. And the guild ID, just hit this and type that and hit finish config. Look at that, perfect. Now that will kick the member. That's basically everything you need to do for your very basic kick command. But you need like a confirmation message, right? So let's add that. Do like 2 returns again, and we're going to do jump over to our timeout, and we're going to grab this message create that we used here. Going to jump in here, and we're going to paste it in. But you know what, let's do something a little bit fancy. Instead of doing await discord lib message create, we're going to do await lib dot discord dot responses create. This is something really interesting. Now follow along carefully. We've got token, and just type token, you'll get your event token. And just leave everything else blank, hit finish config. Now, see this here? You just want to remove that. Very simple. Make sure you add a comma after channel message with source. Look at that. Very simple and easy to do. So guys, this here will be adding something really fancy to our Discord message. I'll show you in a second when we're done. And just change this here to whatever you want. I'm just going to type kicked member and get a message, emoji, whatever you want. I'm going to find something that'll be appropriate. Also, I'll just grab this. Oh, why is it like that? Sometimes some emojis are just terrible. Like that. And you wanna copy it and just paste it on the other side if you want. And we're going to do user was kicked. And the reason, let's put the reason in code block. Now if you guys don't know what a code block is basically where it's in a black sort of like box, a block. We use it for when we're sending code to each other. And you use it when you send these back, and you activate it by sending these backticks, either 3 or just 1. Each one is different. But here, if you want to use it here, we're using the back in the code. You're using backticks as a, like, to put your message in. So if I remove these backslashes here, it's going to, like, kind of take this here out and add that there as part of the code. But we want it part of the message, so it won't really work like that. So to kind of stop it, we add backslashes. Now what are these backslashes and what do they do? Well, in Discord, if you add a backslash to something that will make a text bold, which are these little stars, or a text underline, which is these 2 lines there, or in italics, that there will stop it so you can actually show how it's worked. So, just very simple and just some Discord API tricks for you. Cool. So, yeah, that's basically it, but we need an error message. So just hit space, like an error message if they don't have the role or the permissions. And we're going to do else, bang, and then you can jump over here, come down here, and grab this message, create, hit copy, and come into kick and paste it in, and that's basically done. But if you guys want to be more fancy, you can add in a DM message, so one that will DM the user when that user's been banned or kicked. The only problem with that is if you put it anywhere underneath the member destroy, it won't send it to the user because the bot won't have a mutual serve with the user. So always have that bit there above here. So just like put DM message here if you want. Like that. It's very, very simple. Hit save, and then we can jump over to Discord and test it out. I'm going to be kicking one of our Discord bots just to give it a test. So just wait for that little green dot up here to become green. And let's jump over to Discord. So guys, you're going to want to jump over to Discord and give your code a test out. Let's do that. So do /kick, and your command's going to come up. And what are we going to kick? I'm going to say we're going to kick Carlbot. I don't have a reason for it being here. So just Carlbot. And reason, what is our reason for kicking? Well, I don't have a use for you. There, that's about it. And hit send. And that responses create was something really fancy. It adds this amazing thing up here. I know, it's very cool. It's what all the bots have, like Arcane has up here. Yeah, so that's really cool. And we've got was kicked for the reason I don't have a user for use. I meant to say use, but user. Whatever. So guys, that's the kick. Let's move on to the ban. Let's get in. So guys, we're here in our lovely code thing again. As you can see, I've already opened up a file and I've named it Discord command ban. Very simple. You guys should start getting the hang of it. Anything changes, I'll make sure to always let you know. So you'll want to jump over to the Discord/builder and just add in that ban command right now. So hit add command. We're going to do ban. Ban someone from your guild. That can work. Hey, no, not adding a command. And we'll click options. So guys, you're going to want to come down here and click user. Just about like that. And just user you want to ban it. Ban. That's fine. Hit and add another option. And we'll call this one reason. We want a reason for, well, banning them. Reason for banning them. That's fine. And hit save. That's about it. Let's jump back over to our code. Okay guys, so we're going to do something very similar to the isKick. So jump over here to your isKick members and just come down here and let's copy and paste all that. Like, that is very simple. Remove that and paste it in. And instead of isKick, let's call it isBan. Make sure you update it down here. And over here, instead of the 1 greater than the 1, whatever, change the end 1 to a 2. That shows that they can ban. I know, crazy, but that's how Discord is. Come down here and chuck in a curly bracket. That's closing it. Okie dokie, now we're going to create something that will ban the person from our Discord server. Now, let's type await lib.discord.bans. Now type bans, okay? Very simple. It will come up with this lovely, beautiful thing right here that will tell us how to, well, ban, like this will add in the code for us to ban someone. So hit this and type user, capital I, capital D. Remember, you're referring back to our options data 1. And the guild ID, just do this and do guild ID. Now, do we want to delete messages from the people once they were banned? Yep, we'll just type 7. And the reason for the ban, hit this menu sign and just type reason. Like that. Very simple and easy to do. And hit finish config. And look, like I said, that there can be your kick or your ban command, done, flat, but you want a confirmation message. So let's jump to our kick command, and we'll take this here, hit copy, and jump into our ban, and smack it in right there, and change this here to banned member was banned for the reason. What's your reason? That's your reason, etc. And jump into your kick. We can just take this, jump over to our ban. Remember, else. I cannot spell. Down here. And bada bing, bada boom. It's done. I know, how simple is that? As I said, if you guys want this bot to DM the person that they've been banned, you'll want to come up here and like / DM the person. Put code here. That's what you want to do, because if it's anywhere after the ban's create, it's not going to reach the person. Pretty simple, and that is your ban command done. We will hit save. Now, I don't have anybody on my Discord server to ban. I'm not really going to test it out, but I know this is going to work. If there are any problems with this, feel free to just hit me up on Discord. Yep, you can join my Discord server, link in the description. Okay guys, so that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this Discord how to code tutorial. If you guys have any questions or things you want me to code, jump down into my DMs or in hashtag #HowToCodeChat in my Discord server. And that'll be great. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please smack that subscribe button and hit the notification button so you do not miss when I make a next upload. We've got a ton of new videos coming out very soon. So guys, see you next time. Ronan Films out.